Hey folks, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Are you a busy business owner and do you have a fleet? Well, I know we've been talking about winter a lot, but spring is just around the corner. And so I wanted to make sure that we talked with you, business owners of fleets, about your particular fleet needs going into spring. It is really important. We've had a long winter. You've been trying to get business done, so some things may have gone neglected, but we want to make sure that we give you some tips on how to help your fleet vehicles stay clean and feel refreshed. The most important thing you can do preparing for spring for your fleet is to get those vehicles cleaned out. Whether you're a solo operator or you have people driving for you, it's really important to keep those vehicles clean for a few good reasons. You don't want anything that's important for your business getting lost inside the cabin of a vehicle, which can happen, whether it's paperwork or materials. You just want to make sure you have a good accounting of all those things, right? In addition to that, you want to clean out the inside of that vehicle to keep it fresh for its resale value. In addition to that, you're going to want to make sure that your drivers are going around the vehicles on a regular basis, checking for things that they can check for. Tire health is important. Making sure they maintain traction on the road is good for your business to protect your investment, and also a risk management item to prevent your drivers in those vehicles from being a risk to others on the road. So make sure that you're getting your tires checked regularly for tread depth and for proper inflation. If you're seeing some uneven wear on your tires, it's also an indicator of a suspension check needing to be done. Suspension components may be worn out. In addition to that, tires can get hit by potholes in the winter. You might see chunks of tires off there that you didn't know were there because maybe your drivers didn't mention that they hit that giant pothole on Route 23, which can happen. In addition to that, you're going to want to check your fluids and your filters. For business owners that have gas-powered vehicles, they're going to want to check all of their regular fluids, your oils, your transmissions, fluids, your coolant. You're going to want to do the same thing on diesels, but you're also going to want to check your fuel filters. A lot of times around this time in the winter, you're going to start seeing that diesel fuel gel inside of fuel filters. If it didn't happen for you this winter, you're going to want to get it replaced this spring because chances are that fuel filter was working extra hard for you this year. So if you have a diesel, make sure you get your fuel filters replaced. In addition to that, you're going to want to double check your batteries. A winter as cold as we've had is brutal on batteries. So make sure your batteries are checked so you can save your alternators. You'll see batteries going at an alarmingly high rate after a hard winter. And if they go and you ignore it, then your alternators are all going to need to be replaced because the alternator has to work harder in order to compensate. For any questions about your vehicle and getting it ready for the spring and more, here at DeBoer's Auto in our Fleet and Truck Center, we're ready to help you. Call us today, visit us online, or come on down and stop by our shop in Hamburg, New Jersey. We want to help you run your business uninterrupted.